Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Luna Classic update today. It's been a while, I haven't talked about Luna Classic, and we are very four more days to launch something new for you guys. And I know for certain, I'm pretty sure you guys are going to enjoy, because I'm going to step up the game and produce more better things for you guys, and keep an eye on that one. A lot of people have been saying, hey, Adam Coin, show your face. Other YouTubers are showing their faces. We need to see your personality and this and that. I'm probably actually considering that now. And back into the Luna Classic, we have a technical target that I probably see coming up for Luna Classic. We haven't seen some crazy pumps just yet. Bitcoin has been exponentially good, and also Luna Classic not so great, to be honest with you. Yes, the pump is there, but not a very great one. Okay, not the one that is like crazy pump just yet. And I think that on the 4-hour time frame, we have a certain pattern that I can show you that I think Luna Classic is trying to get into. And that is, if I take this trend line and drop in the trend line just like that, I guess it's going to be something like this, and also something like taking in this trend line and also dropping that trend line just like that. So we've had one touch, some few touches here and a drop, few touches there and a drop, one fake out and a drop, and then finally you did actually break out. And if I do zoom in there, you can see that there was this break, and you made the retest here, and it has been a successful retest. So symmetrical triangle, and the symmetrical triangle technical target is actually all the way back up to 11029. So I actually think this is the target that has been met. Now that story is over. Now if you can actually break above here, because this is where you're having resistance, Luna Classic is now at the resistance. This is another resistance being produced, where you have the touch, move down, a touch, move down, another touch, and a move down. This is where if you do break above, then you are actually good to probably push up to even 13110. But I think the next technical target, if you break above that, then Luna Classic can go all the way from the top to the bottom, and we can actually see a rally that can actually be all the way up to 22,333, and that can actually get really nice, good, crazy profits, and that can actually be another 115% push to the upside. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.